Hello friends, I'll be speaking about the iliotibial tract of the deep fascia of thigh. So deep fascia of the thigh is very strong and it is called as the fascia lata because it covers the various a wide range of thigh. Deep fascia of the thigh, iliotibial tract is a part of the deep fascia of the thigh. So it's a part of deep fascia of thigh. What is it called? It is also called as the fascia lata. Fascia lata. It is also called as the fascia lata because encloses wide area in thigh. It encloses a wide area in the thigh. We will study detail about the iliotibial tract. So, iliotibial tract is found near this fascia lata. So, the fascia lata gets thickened on the lateral aspects of the thigh for about 2 inches to form the iliotibial tract. The fascia lata is thickened on lateral aspects of thigh to form iliotibial tract. I'll explain its parts with the help of diagram so that you can understand in a better way. See this diagram properly. Very important question. So here is the region of iliac crest and here is the region of hip joint. Here is the region of iliac crest and here is the region of hip joint. So what happens in the sense, near the iliac crest, first near the iliac crest, you can see this is the part of iliac crest. So near the region of iliac crest, the tract splits into 2 layers. You can see the tract is getting split into 2 layers which encloses the 2 muscles, that is gluteus maximus muscle and the tensor fascia latae muscles. So you can see there are 2 muscles coming from here on the iliac crest, superiorly along the iliac crest, gluteus maximus muscle as well as the tensor fascia muscle, and forms a thingle sheet. It looks like a thingle sheet but it has 2 muscles. Why is it looking like single sheet? Because of the gluteal aponeurosis. You can see there is aponeurosis formed between the gluteus maximus and the tensor fascia latae. There is a green aponeurosis formed between these 2 muscles. Further, it continues as the iliotibial tract. Then it gets attached to the tibial tuberosity. So the superficial lamina is attached to the tubercle of the iliac crest and the deep lamina is attached to the capsule of the hip joint. So gluteus maximus muscle, tensor fascia muscle are making gluteal aponeurosis, continues as a one ligament to form iliotibial tract which attaches just to the tibial tuberosity. So we'll write this explanation in words so that we'll get a clear-cut idea about it. So on the superficial lamina above, it is attached to tubercle of iliac crest, and on deep lamina it is attached to tibial tuberosity. Okay, so what happens in the sense, along the iliac crest it is divided into 2 muscles. So along superior to iliac crest, it is divided into gluteus maximus muscle, and the tensor fascia latae muscle. Tensor fascia lata muscles. Okay, between these two muscles there is gluteal aponeurosis. Finally, these both combine to form a single tract called as the iliotibial tract and gives insertion to the tibial tuberosity. Okay, so you can see there is mainly two muscles involved here, gluteus maximus muscle as well as the tensor fascia latae muscle. So that's it about the iliotibial tract. Hope you understood this video. In the next video we'll learn about the quadriceps femoris muscle. So these are the muscles which are present on the anterior compartment of the thigh. Hope you like this video. Thank you.